Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain the problems which were asked in previous JEE advanced questions, but they are also useful for your JEE mains examinations also. Okay. Then first to see how to think about the problem, right. So this our heading is area under the curve. Our question is, if the area bounded by f of x is equal to root of tan x, where y is equal to f of c. Here f of c means here is a constant function, we remember that. So first because it is not y is equal to f of x, it is a y is equal to f of c means constant function. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means y axis, x is equal to a, it is a line parallel to y axis, and 0 less than c less than a less than pi by 2. That means there are c and a are 2 points which lies between 0 and pi by 2 is minimum. If the area is minimum, then find the value of c is asking, right. First of all, whatever may be the problem area under curve, you have to draw a neat legible diagram. Okay, na? So let us draw the diagram for this problem, right. So coming to your solution. So here it is your x axis and it is your y axis origin. Okay, na? First thing, 0 less than a less than pi by 2. That means our interval is from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2, right? 0 to pi by 2. F of x is equal to root of tan x. So here I will draw a line here, tan x. Tan 0 is 0, root of tan pi by 2. Root of tan pi by 2 means what? How much? If it is tan 0, 0. Root of tan pi by 2 means not defined. So that means your graph will be like this. So this will be something like this, it will be there. So this is equal to y is equal to root of tan x graph. Clear? Next one, x is equal to, so this part is over. So this part is over, f of x is equal to root of tan x. Y is equal to c. Y is equal to c means what? It is a constant function. So that means we can draw like this. So this is a y is equal to f of c, constant function. Okay. So this part is also completed. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means what? So this is your x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y axis. This is x is equal to 0. This part is also over. Then x is equal to a. X is equal to a. Observe here, a is less than pi by 2. That means something a is here. So x is equal to a. This is your line. So this is equal to x is equal to a. Now c is a variable point. So see here, y is equal to f of c means what here? So this is a c. Y is equal to f of c. Y value is f of c, c value. Here, so this is equal to c. C is a point which lies between 0 less than c less than a less than pi by 2. Now you have to select a value c such that the area bounded by these curves is minimum. What is the area bounded by these curves? If you observe, the area bounded by these curves is equal to this. This is the area. This area will be minimum. See here, actually c is a variable here. So c is a variable. That means what? C moves like this anyhow. So x is equal to a. Of course, x is also a variable point here. So x is equal to a. It is a fixed. Here c will move it like that, like that, like that. It moves such that the area is also will be changes. The area of these shaded regions also will be changes. Then you have to find out the value of C such that the area is the minimum. Okay, na? Then how to find out this area? First we will take the area means what? Sum of this area A1 plus A2, sum of these two areas. For first area, lower limit is C, upper limit is C. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is C. For the area A2, lower limit is C, upper limit is A. First thing what I have to observe. Here upper curve is f of C, lower curve is root of tan x. Here upper curve is root of tan x, lower curve is f of C. That means your area is equal to integral 0 to C. 0 to C. What is the upper curve? F of C. Upper curve means straight line, f of C minus what is the lower curve? F of x. F of x dx plus integral C to A. Integral C to A. What is the upper curve? F of x. F of x minus what is the lower curve? F of C. F of C. So, now let us substitute the values of those things. This is equal to A is equal to integral 0 to C. F of C is f of C only minus f of x means root of tan x dx plus integral C to A. F of x means root of tan x minus f of C dx. Understand? Right, means if you find out this integral value, the problem will be completed. Let us see one by one. Okay. So here we got an expression in A. Okay, now. So let us now that diagram part is completed. Now we have to find out the value of C so that A, the area is minimum. Okay. So let us calculate this. So this is equal to integral 0 to C. F of C means how much? So here f of x is equal to root of tan C. F of C means root of tan C. This is equal to root of tan C minus root of tan x dx plus integral C to A root of tan C minus root of tan x minus root of tan C dx. Okay, na? Integral 0 to C, here C to A, separate for each and everything here. Here you are doing with respect to x, so then root of tan C will be the constant with respect to x you are doing. Root of tan C, take it as outside tan C. Here 1 will be there for 1 integral x. So this is a upper limit, lower limit minus integral of 0 to C root of tan x. I will tell how to do this plus. So this is also integral C to A root of tan x dx minus root of tan C. It is a constant. Why? Because you are integrating with respect to x here. So therefore root of tan C take outside 1. So for x, say the 1 will be there for 1 integral is x upper limit, lower limit. Okay, now? Right. So this is equal to C minus 0, C. So this is equal to 0 to C, C minus 0, C. So this is equal to root of tan C into C minus, this is write down as it is 0 to C root of tan x dx plus integral C to A root of tan x dx minus root of tan C is equal to A minus C. Okay, now. So here also root of tan C is there, here also root of tan C is there. Take root of tan C as common outside. So this is equal to C. So this is equal to minus A plus C. Minus A plus C minus 0 to C root of tan x dx plus integral C to A root of tan x dx. Okay. C plus C, 2C minus A root of tan x C. So this is your function. this function should be minimized. This function should be minimized. Whenever it is given that minimized means go for differentiation, maxima and minima. So, given a function f of x, to find its at what point it is maximum, at what point it is minimum, you have to take the differentiation test. First, you have to differentiate this function with respect to c. Why? Because here we have to find the value of c. We have to differentiate this function with respect to c, first derivative and second derivative. First derivative for maxima or minima, f dash of x is equal to 0. So, here you will get some value x values here, you have to substitute in the second derivative. In the second derivative, if your second derivative is less than 0, at that point we will get a maximum value. If it is greater than 0, we will get minimum value. Okay. So, let us differentiate this function with respect to c. Welcome back to calculation part. Now, we got a function here. We have to find out the value of c so that the area function is minimum. So, whether it is a maximum or minimum, we have to find out the first derivative. Now, what you are going to do is differentiating with respect to c on both sides. So, this is equal to dA by dc. So, there are two functions are here, root of tan c and 2c minus a. So, this is a u and it is v by u into v formula. So, this is a root of tan c into 2c minus a derivative. With respect to c we are doing, therefore, a will be treated as constant. 2c derivative 2 plus 2c minus a into root of tan c derivative, root x derivative 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root of tan c into again tan c derivative, tan x derivative, that means secant square x, that means secant square c. Okay, very good. Here you have to use the Leibniz rule. So, we are differentiating this integral. Okay, that means Leibniz rule. How to do Leibniz rule? At c is equal to a by 2, the area of the function, the area of the region is may be positive, may be negative. Okay, now, but in general, whatever may be the value we got, c is equal to a by 2, that will be the final answer only. No sir, we want to check it means find out the second derivative. Second derivative of this, that means u by v formula. So, you apply the u by v formula and substitute wherever c is equal to a by 2, definitely you will get, that means d square a by dc square will be greater than 0 when c is equal to a by 2. Definitely, when c is equal to a by 2, the second derivative of a is positive. Okay, now d square a by dc square is greater than 0. Therefore, at c is equal to a by 2, the area bounded by all these curves is minimum. Okay. So, this was the question is asked in one of the JEE advanced level question. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to the second problem. So, the second problem is plot the region in the first quadrant. Happy. So, it is in the region is only in the first quadrant. Okay, very happy. In which the points are nearest to the origin, than to the line x is equal to 3 and also find its area is saying. Okay. We have to plot the region and also we have to find the area. So, if you plot the region, automatically we will get the area. Then how to do this problem? Let us see this solution. So, first concentrate on the first quadrant. So, that is why I am taking here x axis and y axis origin. So, this will be the first quadrant and the line x is equal to 3. So, this is equal to 3. So, this will be the first line, x is equal to 3 will be the first line, origin to the line x is equal to 3, right. Now, we have to select the points. Those points should be nearer to the origin than those of the line x is equal to 3. For example, If I take the point here, it is far away from the origin but nearer to the line, but is not saying that the points are nearest to the origin. So therefore, you have to take the points which are nearer to the origin than those of the line. That means, but if you take the point, let the locus, the point in the locus be x comma y such that, what can you say, that OP is less than PM. Understand? So that means OP is less than PM. Such type of points you have to take always. So you will get a locus here. What is that locus? Let us see that. OP we can find out. What is the value of PM? If you observe, PM is up to here, here to here, how much? 3 units. So if you observe here, this is x and y. So here to here 3, up to here x. So this must be 3 minus x. PM should be 3 minus x. That is, OP is a root of x square plus y square is less than PM. PM means 3 minus x. OP means distance between O and P, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 less than 3 minus x. Then we have to create a function in x. That's why squaring on both sides, we can say it is x square plus y square less than 9 minus 6x plus x square. Okay. So we can cancel both the sides. So this is equal to y square less than minus 6x plus 9. That means you can cancel this. So this is equal to y square is less than, take minus 6 common outside, x minus, you can take 3 by 2. Can I take that? Yes. Yes, we can take. So this is, if you take consider it is the interior of the parabola, y square is equal to minus 6 into x minus 3 by 2. So that region is the interior of the parabola, y square is equal to minus 6 into x minus 6 by 2. So this is of the form y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h, where the vertex is 3 by 2 comma 0. Vertex is 3 by 2 comma 0. So let us draw the 3 by 2 means what? 1.5. So this is a 3 by 2. This is a 3 by 2. So it is a parabola. This is a x is a negative. X is negative means open leftward parabola. Open leftward parabola means what? So you will, this is a 3 by 2 comma 0. So you will get a parabola just like this parabola. You will get like this. Okay, na? So you have to find out the area of this region, only first quadrant. This area you have to find out. Okay, so this is, sorry. So this will be the vertex. Vertex means like that you have to get. So this will be the vertex. Okay, na? So this is your point. This is your point, px comma y. So I will draw a neat diagram. Okay. Welcome back. So this is the region. So this is the region. So that is equal to y square is equal to minus 6 into x minus 3 by 2. Understand this? So here the vertex is 3 by 2 comma 0. So this is the vertex. So this will be the region. Okay, now, right, first quadrant he is saying, first quadrant means this is the area. This area you have to find out. Okay, now how to find out? Here are different ways you can find out. So I will find out with respect to y. So that means here 0 to, so this point will be, we will find out this derivative. So if you want to find out here, so let us keep, so this value is equal to how much? So this is equal to y square is equal to minus 6x plus, y square is equal to minus 6x plus 9. This is 9. Okay, now. So if you want to find out this value, this point upper bound, so the x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0, y square is equal to 9, therefore y is equal to plus or minus 9, 3. So our required area A is equal to integral 0 to 3, lower bound 0, upper bound 3, 0 to 3. So with respect to y axis, I am dropping the area on y axis. On y axis I am writing. That's why you have to write down here dy. you have to write down dy. So when you are writing dy, here your function should be in terms of y. So therefore, what is your x? So x is equal to how much you can take? So minus 6x you take this side. So this is a 9 minus y square by 6. From this, x is equal to 9 minus y square by 6. 9 minus y square by 6. Now it is a direct calculation. So take this 6 1 by 6 outside. So this is a 9y minus y cube by 3, upper limit, lower limit. 1 by 6 into, see here, 9 3s are 27. So 27 minus 27 by 3, this is equal to 9. Anyhow, lower limit is 0. So 27 minus 9 is equal to how much? This is equal to 18. 18 by 6, that is equal to 3. So the area of this region is equal to 3 square units. So here the thing is what you have to observe is we got here inequality we got. So that inequality we have to get. So this is a very nice problem. I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next one more problem which was given in JEE Advanced. Okay. Dear students, welcome to the next problem. So this was asked in 2016 advanced problem. So it is a single correct option. Right. So area of the region x comma y belongs to R square means it is a two-dimensional plane. Y greater than or equal to root of modulus of x plus 3. 5y less than or equal to x plus 9 less than or equal to 15 is equal to. So we have to find out the area of the region. So actually here there are three curves are there. So a straight line is also a curve. So first one is this, y greater than or equal to root of modulus of x plus 3. That is the first one. This is the first one. The second one is 5y less than or equal to x plus 9, second one. Third one is x plus 9 less than or equal to 15. That is the third one. Of course, 5y is less than or equal to 15. That is also third one. Right? Altogether, we have to draw this diagram one by one. Let us see the first one. Now, first I will take that y is greater than or equal to root of modulus of x plus 3. Root of modulus of x plus 3. Here modulus of x plus 3 is there. This modulus will behave, it changes here behavior when x greater than 0 and x less than 0. For example, here if it is x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, then modulus of x plus 3 is root of x plus 3. Understand? So this is equal to, as we can say, y greater than or equal to x plus 3. If it is x plus 3 is less than 0, x plus 3 is less than 0, then y is greater than root of minus x minus 3. Root of x plus 3 minus will come, minus x minus x. Minus x means what? Minus x minus 3. Don't think that it is a negative quantity unless we don't know the x value. So here x value is less than minus 3. X less minus 3 means what? You can take minus 4, minus of minus 4 plus 4, 4 minus 3, positive value you will get. Okay, now? Right. Now, I will to avoid this square root, I will do squaring on both sides. This is y square is greater than or equal to x plus 3 when x greater than or equal to minus 3. This y square is greater than or equal to minus x minus 3 when x is less than minus 3. Understand? Now, if you observe, so just to forget about this greater than, y square is equal to x plus 3 is a parabola. Here also y square is equal to minus x minus 3 is also a parabola. Okay, now. Now, what it will be? Let us see that. Let us draw the up to here. Right. So, this will be the graph. So, this will be the x-axis, this is y-axis and it is x-axis. Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 means what here? X plus 3. If you observe here, this will be here y minus 0 whole square. So, that is why y minus 0 is equal to 1 into x minus of minus 3. So, this is a open rightward parabola with the vertex minus 3 comma 0. So, where will be the minus 3 comma 0? So, this will be the minus 3 comma 0. This is a open rightward parabola. Open rightward, that's it. Just keep it like that. Coming to here, y square is equal to greater than or minus of x plus 3 we can write down. This is also a parabola. Of course, forget about greater than, so just keep it aside. Y square is equal to minus of x plus 3. Here also vertex is minus 3 comma 0, but it is open leftward parabola. So, this is the open leftward parabola. Understand this? Open leftward parabola. Here also y square greater than is there, here also greater than is there. So, what region you have to take? Greater than means outside the parabola. This region. This region you have to take. This is the region. Y greater than or equal to root of modulus of x plus 3 region is this. Understand this? Okay, now, right. That part is over. Let us coming to this second part. I will draw that for that also, and afterwards I will superimpose both the graphs. Okay. Let us draw the graph of this region. Okay, right. Now let us draw the graph of these regions also. So here first you take, this is a 5y less than or equal to, sir, okay, first you take is equal to x plus 9 and x plus 9 is equal to 15. First you take the is equal to symbols, afterwards we will consider the less than symbols. So, if you observe here, so this will be x, you take x this side, otherwise you take one side x minus 5y. So, take this is minus 9. So, this is x by minus 9 plus y by 9 by 5 is equal to 1. It is a straight line with x intercept minus 9, y intercept 9 by 5. Okay, let us see this. Okay, I will draw in this only. Here x intercept is minus 9, x intercept is, so this side here, I will rub this. So, this is equal to minus 9, y intercept is 9 by 5. So, somewhere it is 9 by 5, somewhere 9 by 5. So, this is the straight line. So, this is the straight line you will get. Okay. Here less than means what? Down. Okay, with another color I will draw. Okay, down region. Okay, right. Let us take this is equal to, x is equal to how much? 6. X is equal to 6, here so it is a region, so therefore x is equal to 6. Less than means what? To the right you have to draw. To the right. So, I will write another in another diagram, another color, right side. Right side. So, where will be the common region? Where will be the common region? So, if you observe, this will be the common region. This will be the common region. So, this will be the common region. Okay, right. So, that area we have to find out. So, let us draw another neat legible diagram indicating this area clearly. Okay. So, if you indicate that area, so if you find out the upper bounds and lower bounds of that area, the problem will be very, very easy. Welcome back. So, this is the region, area of this region, we have to find out this. So, what is this region? So, if you want to find out the region, so how to find out the region? So, your area of the required region is, first to find out the area of the trapezium. So, area of trapezium ABCD from this, that means total area you will get like this trapezium area. Why? Because these two are parallel lines in a trapezium. One pair of lines are parallel lines, ABCD is a trapezium. In this minus area of this region. So, area of AED minus area of EBC or CEB. Okay, na? Area of CEB. Right. Once again I am telling area of ABCD, trapezium area minus area of this region, that is ADE, minus area of the region CEB. If you subtract these two areas from the trapezium area, you will get the required area. Then how we got these points? Yes, this point already we got minus 3 comma 0. Then how to get these points? This point and this point. Simply solving. So what is this line? This line equation is x plus 9. X plus 9 is 5y is equal to x plus 9. Therefore substitute here. Therefore 5y is equal to x plus y 9 means, so y square is equal to minus x minus 3. Simply solve these two equations. This is the curve, y square is equal to minus x minus 3 curve. This is the straight line equation is 5y is equal to x plus 9. Solve it, simply solve it, we can get the answer. So in this substitute here x value minus 4, minus half minus 4 plus 4, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 1. So y square is equal to 1 plus r minus 1. So 1 top minus 1 you will get. Okay, now right. So the same point will be satisfied by this equation is also. Okay, now substitute here x value minus 4. So minus 4 and this is a this is a 1, not this is a 1, you will get 1. So in place of x substitute minus 4 plus 9 5, y value is 1, 5 is equal to 5, we will satisfy. So therefore minus 4 comma 1 satisfies both the equation. So if you substitute here x is equal to minus 4, 4 minus 3 1, y square is equal to 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1 1. Okay, now so there also 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Okay, right. If you substitute x is equal to 1, 1 plus 9 10, y plus 2, 5 2 are 10, 10 is equal to 10. And this also is substitute here x is equal to 1, 1 plus 3 4. So y square is equal to 4 means y is equal to 2. Simply that means this equation and this equation, solve it, you will get point of intersection, and this equation and this y square is equal to x plus 3, you will get second equation. So then how to find out area of the trapezium? Area of the trapezium formula, half h times a plus b, that is equal to half into h means what? Perpendicular distance from between the both the parallel lines. Say here minus 4 comma 0, it is 1 comma 0. That means from 0 to this side 4 units, that side 1 unit, total 5 units, that is 5 into a plus b. So what is this length? 1 unit, y coordinate. What is this length? 1 comma 2, that means 2 units, that is 1 plus 2, minus area of AED, that means integral minus 4 to minus 3, minus 4 to minus 3. So what is this area? This curve equation is this, that means root of minus x minus 3 dx. Don't think that this is a negative value. So why? Because here x minus 4 to minus 3 means minus x minus 3 will become positive, minus integral of CEB, this area. So what is the lower bound? Minus 3, upper bound is 1. What is this? Root of x plus 3 dx. Okay, now so you calculate a very simple one. So this is equal to 5 plus 2 3, 3s are 15 by 2, and this is minus x minus 3 whole power 1 by 2, 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Upper limit, lower limit, here also you substituted, and you will ultimately you will get the answer 3 by upon 2. 3 by 2 is your final answer. Understand? So very logical problem. This is a very easy problem also. So the only thing is you have to do speed and accuracy patiently. If you do the process solution we will get a very easy one. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's all these 3 problems, and into tomorrow with some more problems I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.